Today, we're going back to the basics with a French onion soup. A delectable soup filled with caramelized onions, topped with a crusty baguette, all smothered in melty cheese. To start, melt some butter and onions and cook until golden brown. Time for some wine, just a little to help deglaze the pan and for flavor. Next, stir in the beef stock, thyme, and bay leaves. Once it starts to boil, reduce the heat and simmer 15 to 20 minutes. Discard the thyme and bay leaves and add salt and pepper to taste. The soup is done. Now it's time to preheat the broiler and to finish it off. Place the baguette slices on a sheet pan and broil until golden brown on both sides. Fill your oven-proof bowls with the soup, top with the toasted bread and sprinkle with cheese. Back into the broiler it goes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Lastly, serve it up. You all enjoy.